Place MultiRest assembly onto lathe with locking plate turned so it slides between the ways of the lathe bed. Adjust way spacers by loosening screws in base and sliding spacers outward until the spacers make contact with inside edges of lathe ways. Make sure the rest is centered and perpendicular on the ways and the spacers contact the inside of each way before tightening spacers in place. Adjust roller wheels outward before positioning rest around workpiece. Loosen wing knobs at each roller and slide rollers outward and tighten in place temporarily. Rotate the locking plate to span between the lathe bed ways and tighten in place with a 9/16 wrench after positioning the MultiRest in the desired location to support the workpiece. To adjust the rollers, loosen both the wing knobs and nut on the roller slide bracket, which allows the slide and slide bracket to move freely in any direction. Adjust the angle of the rollers first by moving the roller slide bracket in the slots of the outer ring to the desired angle. To move the roller slide bracket to another set of slots, remove the roller slide and roller assembly by sliding inward toward the center of the ring until it comes out of the roller slide bracket. Remove the nut from the roller slide bracket. Remove both the T-bolt and hex bolt from the roller slide bracket and remove bracket from outer ring. Move bracket to different slot in outer ring, making sure that the slotted hole is closest to the center of the ring. Replace washer and hex nut and snug the hex nut to make it easier to install the roller slide and roller assembly. Replace T-bolts into knobs. Insert roller slide into the slide bracket from inside of the ring, making sure the roller is on the same side as the hex nut. Once the desired angle is reached, tighten the hex nut. To split the outer ring, remove the wing knob holding the latch together on the outer ring. Remove the smaller wing knob on the base of the MultiRest. Remove the bolt and the latch mechanism. Remove the bolt from the base and carefully lift out the larger portion. To convert to a bowl rest, loosen the bolt holding the locking plate in place. Lift and turn MultiRest 180 degrees. Tighten the locking plate bolt.